Hello everyone, myself Suraj Raut. I am working as STEM faculty in Podar International School ICSC, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. In our school, we are having innovation lab. I used to teach robotics in innovation lab. We are having different educational robotic kits. The name of that educational robotic kit is mBot. mBot is having different sensors. So in today's video tutorial, we are going to discuss about one of the sensor, and the name of the sensor is infrared sensor. Infrared sensors are communicating sensors. Infrared sensors are used to communicate between two devices. It has two parts. One is IR transmitter and other is IR receiver. IR transmitter is used to transmit a message, whereas IR receiver is used to receive a message. It works on line of sight communication, which means transmit and receive a message only where transmitter and receiver are in view of each other. That is, there should not be any obstacle between transmitter and receiver. Example of infrared sensor is we have IR transmitter in TV remote and IR receiver in TV set. Using IR remote, we will be able to change channel, increase and decrease volume. So whenever we press a key from remote, message transmitted from IR transmitter, which is received by IR receiver in TV set and do a particular task. With respect to infrared sensor on mBot, which is an educational robot, we are having both IR transmitter and IR receiver on mCore of mBot, which is presented on the left hand side of the screen. An IR transmitter on remote control of mBot. Infrared sensor are used to transmit and receive a message to mBot and from remote respectively. IR transmitter is used to send message to mBot, whereas IR receiver is used to receive message either from remote or from mBot. Let us discuss about application of infrared sensor. It is used to control mBot using IR remote, and we'll also be able to set up communication between two robots, that is two mBots. Let us take an example to program mBot to perform specific task with the click of particular button of IR remote. IR remote is having alphanumeric keys, as you can see on the right hand side on this. So now in this example, I'll program mBot such that when IR remote key is pressed, mBot should perform a specific task. If A key of IR remote is pressed, mBot should turn on LED with red color. If B key of IR remote is pressed, mBot should turn on LED with green color. If C key is pressed of IR remote, then mBot should play some sound. So this is the program for it. So I'll explain this program on mBlock. So let's switch this screen to mBlock. So this is the mBlock IDE. Now go to events. We need to start execution of program when mCore starts up. So when mBot mCore starts up, we need to give conditions that if A button is pressed, if B button is pressed, if C button is pressed. So that's why we need 3 if statement. Then go to sensing and take this block. If IR remote A button is pressed, again take the same block and from this drop down select B. Again take this block and from drop down select C. So when A button is pressed, what we need to achieve? Go to show and we need to glow all LEDs with red in color. Then second, if B button is pressed, we need to glow all LEDs with green in color. This green in color. Now when C button is pressed, mBot should make some voice. So use this block. So again, one more thing in this program, we need to use forever loop here because mBot should check continuously whether the button of IR remote is pressed or not. So this checking should be in continuous loop, and so that's why we have to use forever loop here. So now let's upload this program to mBot. Connect USB cable, connect first end of USB cable to mBot and second end of USB cable to laptop. Then press connect button, connect. Now upload the program. I have uploaded program on this mBot. So this is IR remote, here IR transmitter, and here IR receiver is there. So when I press A button, red color LED glows. When I press B button, green color LED glows. And when I press C, it makes sound. So in this way IR sensor works. Thank you.